Looking for a way to make cooking faster, easier, and more fun? An electric griddle is the ultimate kitchen upgrade, offering a spacious surface, precise temperature control, and easy cleanup for family meals or quick snacks. From fluffy pancakes to sizzling burgers, the right griddle turns every meal into a hassle-free feast. Here are the top 5 best electric griddles worth buying. Number 1. Cuisinart Stainless Steel Griddler. The Cuisinart Stainless Steel Griddler is a versatile kitchen essential designed to make cooking effortless and enjoyable. With 6 functions in one, it can serve as a contact grill, panini press, full grill, full griddle, half grill to half griddle, and even a top melt, perfect for everything from breakfast pancakes to gourmet sandwiches and juicy steaks. Its user-friendly digital controls stand out, featuring an electronic LCD display, dual-zone temperature control, 60-minute countdown timer, and blue LED indicator lights. The adjustable top cover with lock and sturdy handlebar ensures ease of use and compact storage. For cooking capacity, the Griddler offers a large 240 square inch grilling surface, enough to prepare meals for the whole family. It also features a 500 degrees Fahrenheit sear function for up to 2 minutes, ideal for locking in flavor. A built-in drip tray keeps things tidy. Cleanup is stress-free with removable, reversible, dishwasher-safe non-stick plates and included accessories like a scraping tool, recipes, and manual. Plus, with a limited 3-year warranty, BPA-free design, and premium stainless steel build, this Griddler is a reliable, stylish, and multifunctional addition to any kitchen. Number 2. Presto 22-inch Electric Griddle. The Presto 22-inch electric griddle is a must-have for families who love convenient, versatile cooking. With its extra-large 22-inch surface, this griddle provides ample space to prepare breakfast, lunch, or dinner for the entire household. Whether you're flipping pancakes, searing burgers, or grilling sandwiches, the spacious surface ensures you can cook multiple items at once. Built with a PFAS-free ceramic non-stick coating, the griddle offers superior food release and easy cleanup, while the textured surface promotes better cooking performance. Cleaning is further simplified by the slide-out drip tray, which collects grease for a mess-free experience. Designed for convenience, this griddle includes removable handles, allowing it to fit in most standard 18-inch kitchen cabinets. Just release the latch clips, and the handles detach for compact storage. The Control Master heat system ensures precision by maintaining your set temperature automatically, delivering consistent results every time. Made from heavy cast aluminum, the griddle is virtually warp-proof, fully immersible once the heat control is removed, and built for long-lasting durability. Combining easy maintenance, reliable performance, and family-sized capacity, this Presto griddle is a dependable kitchen essential. Number 3. Bella Electric Ceramic Titanium Griddle. The Bella Electric Ceramic Titanium Griddle is a powerhouse kitchen appliance designed for efficiency, durability, and family-sized cooking. With its extra-large cooking surface and 1,500-watt heating system, this griddle makes it easy to prepare large batches of pancakes, eggs, bacon, or sandwiches. The cool touch handles and built-in backstop ledge simplify flipping and handling, while the removable temperature probe with an adjustable dial ensures precise control over your cooking. What sets this griddle apart is its ceramic non-stick coating reinforced with titanium, making it 8 times more durable and cooking up to 30% faster than traditional non-stick coatings. Scratch-resistant and ultra-strong, it's built to withstand daily use without compromising performance. Plus, its healthy eco-coating is free of harmful chemicals such as lead and cadmium, offering safe, reliable cooking with excellent food release. As part of the Bella Kitchen Essentials lineup, this griddle combines functionality with style, making meal prep quick and fun. From flipping pancakes to grilling sandwiches, its user-friendly design and eco-friendly durability make it a smart choice. The Bella griddle isn't just an appliance, it's a solution for simplifying your busy kitchen routine. Number 4. Dash Deluxe Everyday Electric Griddle. The Dash Deluxe Everyday Electric Griddle is a versatile and stylish appliance that takes the hassle out of meal prep. Designed for more than just pancakes, this griddle is perfect for cooking quesadillas, eggs, burgers, sandwiches, and more, making it a go-to solution for family meals or entertaining guests. With a spacious 20-inch by 10.5-inch cooking surface, it offers plenty of room to prepare multiple dishes at once, ideal for feeding a crowd or handling picky eaters. The removable heating probe allows for precise temperature control, while the dishwasher-safe, non-stick cooking plate ensures quick and easy cleanup. Built with convenience in mind, the PFOA-free non-stick surface delivers consistent cooking results, while the removable drip tray collects excess grease before it hits your counters. Simply plug it in, adjust the heat, and in minutes the griddle is ready to cook. The 1500W Deluxe griddle also includes thoughtful features like anti-slip feet, dishwasher-safe accessories, a recipe book, and access to a recipe database. Available in modern colors like aqua, black, gray, and red, it makes a perfect gift for weddings, new homes, or anyone who loves effortless cooking. Number 5. Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Electric Griddle. The Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Electric Griddle is a versatile kitchen companion designed to handle breakfast, lunch, and dinner with ease. Featuring 2 reversible cooking plates, smooth on one side for griddling and ridged on the other for grilling, this appliance lets you cook in 3 different ways, as a full indoor grill, a full griddle, or a combination of both at the same time. Perfect for any meal, it can fry eggs and sausage in the morning, crisp up quesadillas at lunch, and grill steak with veggies for dinner. With its 1,400 watts of power and 2 independent cooking zones, you can control temperatures separately up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you the flexibility to cook different foods at once. The 180 square in a non-stick surface provides ample space for family-sized meals, yet it's easy to adapt for smaller portions by using just one zone. Cleanup is hassle-free thanks to dishwasher-safe double-sided plates and a removable drip tray that fits easily in the top rack. Durable, practical, and family-friendly, the Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Griddle is the ultimate solution for convenient, everyday cooking,